Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In this tutorial, we continue our learning series about the topic Austrian words for tourists. In this video, we learn how to count from 1 to 20 in Austrian German. At the end of the tutorial, we learn how to pronounce 0. If you are interested in a special topic, please let me know in the comments below. Let's get started. The learning goal of this video is to learn how to count from 1 to 20 in Austrian German. In written form, Standard German is used, but in spoken form, Austrian German is very common. In the eastern parts of Austria, A is rather replaced by A, and in the west, A is replaced by OA. Now let's start counting. 1 is oans or oans, oans. 2 is zwei or zwei, zwei. 3 is drei, 4 is vier, 5 is fünf, 6 is six, 7 is sieben, 8 is acht, 9 is neun, 10 is 10, 11 is elf, 12 is zwölf, 13 is 13, 14 is 14, 15 is 15, 16 is 16, 17 is 17, 18 is 18, 19 is 19, and 20 is 20 or 20. The word for 0 is null or nui. 0 is nui. I hope you're a bit more familiar with the numbers from 1 to 20, and I hope it helps you when you visit Austria. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day. See you in the next Austrian German tutorial. Auf Wiedersehen.